Alright, so we've got this thing drawn, and now we've got to put it on a title block and all that great stuff. Now, I do not like the title block that Fusion gives us by default. So what I did is I attached a file for you, and you can upload it. You can go to upload, uh, and pick the location where you want to upload it. So, you should have a new project folder or whatever in here. So you could say Unit 7, new folder or whatever. And then you go select the files, and it'll be this Arlington file. I may adjust this a little bit as time goes on before I put it up, but basically that's what you've got going. So I got that. I'm going to go design, drawing, from design, and I'm going to click my Arlington template, which you may have to browse for. If you go to browse, there it is in drawing. So you notice it is ASME as the standards, and what that means is it's going to be like in English, and you're going to have some issues with that. So one issue is, for the life of me, I've been through this software, I've checked online, I cannot figure out how to change it from unidirectional dimensions to aligned dimensions, but that's okay. We're just going to say you do not have to change if you're using Fusion your directions to an aligned dimension set. You can keep it as unidirectional. Everything else I think I've got a handle on, but that is still I'm trying to figure out. And if any of you figures out how to do it, let me know. Okay, so anyway, we've got our block here, uh, and you drop it where you want the front view to go, and then unlike previous drawings that we would do in Inventor where you could project like this, we just click OK. Then we go to our drawing and we project the view up and over and in the top corner. And this is how you used to have to do it in Inventor, but they've since gotten better. And then we're going to change this to a dark object. So once that's done, we can actually start dimensioning. And your dimension tools are over here. They're a little different than they were in regular Autodesk Inventor, but for the most part, they're the same. One of the big differences is if you want to do like a baseline or a chain, you have to put a dimension down first, and then you have to reference that dimension, like so. But that's pretty easy to do. So we've got this dimension in here. We got a couple other ways we can do this. As I already illustrated in my other video that takes you through with all the answers, I'm going to go put this one here. I'm going to go over here to the side, and I'm going to do this one on the contour coming out. I'm going to do my overall height here. Really, a height probably be better here because it has the contour, so I'm going to stick with that. So I'll do my overall. I'm going to just tweak this 2 here a little because it looks like it was saying 25 there and I didn't like that. So 2.5. Other dimensions I need this I'm going to do here. And I need the gap, so I'm just going to baseline the rest of this. Go down here, I'm going to baseline the rest of this. So starting here, I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go here. So that finishes that one off. And then I need a few more dimensions. I need this guy right here. 2, and I need from here to here because we're doing baseline 3. And this is covered. So I think that covers all of them. So this is how you would dimension. It's very similar to Inventor. It just, as I've shown, there's a lot less you can do and modify. And when you're ready, you can go to Output, PDF, one sheet or all sheets. So like we're just doing the one sheet right here. Design weights, click OK. It'll make a PDF and download, and let's see if it opens up for me. Did not, so I'm just going to go grab that so I can show you. And then you would be able to upload this into Google Classroom, which is great. So if you do not have the ability to use Inventor, Fusion is kind of a workaround. I'm going to be doing videos on both. I'm not going to take you through all of the dimensioning steps on this because I've already done an Inventor and they are similar. The one thing is you do not have to do the aligned if you're using Fusion. Okay? If you have more questions, please let me know. I'll try to help you through it. Good luck.